I'm Aaron Charnock and I'm Rebuild with Hope's store cleaner. I was actually born with a bone disease which obviously affects the strength of my bones and low tone muscles, and the fact that I could start at a set amount of hours and build myself up has meant that my body can adapt to it and build and get stronger as I work, and I know my body can handle the job really without worrying that if I overdo something I'll hurt myself and then I won't be able to do anything. I used to think that most employers might not listen to that because it's a hidden disability.
Inge's first started working with Rebuild with Hope due to me and my role as employer account manager going out seeking employees in the local community to work alongside ourselves to find work for our participants. And I found out that their values much married into ours, that they work with people with multiple barriers to work, that they offered retail, warehousing, e-commerce, so much more than just a shop floor experience.
I've been out of unpaid work for like about 15 years if I added it all up together. The main challenges I was facing getting into work were lack of experience and recent experience. I was going into things with a lack of confidence because if I was asked to do something I know I physically couldn't do, then I always thought that would be the reason I wouldn't get the job or be able to carry on with the job at the time.
You can see progress, and it's not just the hard skills, it's the soft skills, the self-esteem, the confidence growing, the changing and blending into the work environment. And it's good working with Ingeus because obviously they offer a lot of support. So yeah, it's brilliant.
Employment support that I was getting from Restart was like phone calls, reassurance. If I needed support, I knew I'd get it. If I needed advice, I know I'd get it. If I needed help with travel, I could get support with that. Starting work at Hope has helped me in many ways. I'm waking up in the morning and I'm wanting to get up, I'm wanting to do it. It's helped me with confidence and self-esteem. It's really good.